Welcome. This tutorial is intended to familiarize elementary educators with the tools, features, and resources available on Brainpop Jr. So many school districts purchase Brainpop subscriptions, but many educators are unaware of how to best implement all it has to offer. All links used in this video will be provided in the original post for easy access. Brainpop Jr. is an interactive educational website designed to support and engage students in their learning. Simple, fun, animated videos are organized by subject and include additional educational activities that can be assigned to students. You may be wondering what's so special about Brainpop Jr. Brainpop Jr. videos and features motivate students and encourage them to think at a deeper level. The games that accompany many of the topics engage students in their learning. And especially important for young students and English learners, Brainpop Jr. builds background knowledge in students with the use of simple language and visuals they can connect to make meaning of topics with which they may be unfamiliar or have limited experience. Research supporting the effectiveness of Brainpop Jr.'s platform can be found on their Brainpop Educators website. To learn more about Brainpop, its tools, and features, the Brainpop Educators site provides professional development, support, and resources. There are dozens of pre-written lesson plans for every subject that you can use with your students. This site also includes a training program where you can become a certified Brainpop educator to gain exclusive access to new tools, consult with Brainpop developers, and network with other Brainpop educators. If you're new to Brainpop Jr., Brainpop 101 is the best place to start. Brainpop 101 is an interactive tutorial to help you become familiar with Brainpop tools and features. To access Brainpop 101, log in to your Brainpop Jr. account. Next, click on Dashboard at the top of the page. Now you'll see a link at the top of the screen that says Brainpop 101. Here you can see the modules of the tutorial and begin. As you can see, you can save your progress and return at a later date to complete the training. Let's take a quick tour of Brainpop Jr. On the home page, you will see academic subject areas. You can use these buttons to search for your subject area of interest or use the search bar at the top of the page. Let's look at science. This brings you to a menu of different science subjects. If we click on animals, we can see all the animal topics available. Once we choose an animal, we are brought to the video. Here, we can see options to add closed captions and adjust the video speed under settings. These features are great for differentiating instruction for diverse learners. Underneath the video, we can see all the available features on our subject. Students can take quizzes, make maps of what they've learned, write about what they've learned, draw about what they've learned, or even create coding projects on their topic. Below that, we also have related topics that may be of interest. So if you're learning about butterflies, you might also want to use these videos. To personalize and differentiate student learning, you can import your Google Classrooms to Brainpop Jr. This will create individual Brainpop accounts for your students so they can save and submit work you assign them. To begin, go to your dashboard on Brainpop Jr. Here you can find the option to import your Google Classroom or create a class by inviting students to join via a class code. Click on Import New Classes and select the classes you want to add to Brainpop Jr. Once you have added your classes, they will appear in your dashboard. Now you're ready to assign tasks for students to complete. You can click New Assignment to use the assignment builder or assign tasks from the video section. I'm going to use a math video as an example. Above the video, you will see the Assign button. Here, you can add instructions for your students, select the class, add a due date and a scheduled start date if you'd like. You can click Assign to only assign the video for students to watch, or you can click Add More Features. This will bring you to all of the available features associated with the topic that you can assign to students. You can also monitor student progress by checking your assignments on your dashboard. This is only the beginning. There are so many more useful features available on Brainpop Jr., and I will cover each in depth in a series of video tutorials to come. Now it's your turn. Go to the Brainpop Jr. website, explore topics you teach, and the accompanying features. If you have any questions or would like a copy of this presentation, please reach out.